Good morning, Edison and classmates. We are going to talk about chapter 6, Objects and Structures Data, for Clean Code. The integrates are Fernando Noguera and Josue Moreno. Data abstraction consists of representing under certain format with lines the essential characteristic of data structure. Since in this process a data implementation is forgotten or ignored for freedom programming. Some examples. In the picture 6.2 is that there is no way you can tell whether the implementation is in rectangular or polar coordinates, but in the 6.1 is only in rectangular coordinates, and it forced to manipulate their coordinates, not other. In the other example, 6.3, use concrete terms, and in the 6.4, that's without the abstraction or percentage about anything. Data object anti-symmetry. Procedural codes data structures facilitate the inclusion of the new functions without modifying the existing data structures. About oriented code. For its part, facilitates the inclusion of new classes without changing existing functions. Some characteristics of objects is hide their data behind abstraction and expose functions to operate on the data. And characteristics of data structures are expose their data and have no meaningful functions.
The law of Demeter. It says that an object only shows what it does and not its internal structure. Or it can also be said that they hide their data and show their operations. Hybrids. We can see an example of hybrids. Hybrid structure are half objects and half data structure. They have functions and realize specific tasks and also public variables or public access methods and mutations that make private variables public and induce other external functions to use the variables in the same way as a procedural program using a data structure. Data transfer objects, OTD, it is a data structure with public variable and without functions that are very useful for communication with the database and analyzing connection message. It's most common for is being which has a several private variables manipulated by established and retrieval methods. We can see example 6.7 that beans have private variables manipulated by getters and setters. The quasi-encapsulation of beans seems to make some birds feel better, but usually provides not all benefits.
Thanks.
Thanks.